Chaos rules the world, but you do not let it have to rule you. The art of Stoicism teaches you how to be calm in this chaotic world. Here are 3 of the most important Stoic principles so that you can live a life of peace and happiness. Welcome to Mentor My Life. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength. Marcus Aurelius. The majority of frustrations in life come from people who focus on trying to control things that they cannot control. Their day is ruined by the weather. They were finally going to start running today, but it's raining outside. They're frustrated because they want to go on a movie date with their girlfriend, but tickets are sold out. They're upset because their boss didn't give them the raise they think they deserve. Marcus Aurelius teaches us to focus on things that you can control, and when you do, you will notice that the frustrations and disappointments in your life begin to disappear. You may not be able to control the weather, but you can control yourself. You can make yourself go for a run anyway. What's a little water? Or you could just do a home cardio workout. You may not have control over whether tickets to a movie were sold out, but you can control if you decide on the spur of a moment adventure instead, or just hit up a rental movie store and just rent a movie out for the night. You can't control whether your boss gives you a fair raise, but you can control if you decide to start looking for a new job or start your own business. By focusing on your mind and growing your awareness through meditation, you can begin to notice where in your life you experience frustration and negative emotions. Then you can ask yourself, are you frustrated because you're focused on what you cannot control? If so, find what aspects of the situation you can control and focus on those. Sometimes the only aspects you can control is removing yourself from the situation, but even that brings emotional relief. You live as if you were destined to live forever. No thought of your frailty ever enters your head. Of how much time has already gone by, you take no heed. You squander time as if you drew from a full and abundant supply, though all the while that day which you bestow on some person or thing is perhaps your last. Seneca. If you knew the day you were going to die, or better yet, if you knew that today was going to be your last day alive, how would you spend your day? What would you do? Would you sit and scroll through social media all day? Would you sit and watch TV? Would you waste your last moments at a job that you hated? Would you hold on to hatred towards your ex or the friend that betrayed you? Or would you enjoy every last second of your life? Would you spend time with the people that truly make you happy and fill your cup with positive emotions? Would you approach the crush you've always had and tell her that you love her? Would you conquer your fears and do the things that excite you and fill your soul? The majority of people live life as if they will live forever. They work at a crappy job, they live a boring life, they hang around people that they don't really like, all with the thought of, oh, it'll change one day. But what if one day never comes? What if today's your last? I bet you would change a lot of things. Now, I know we live in a world that is run by money, so you have to work a crappy job to make rent. You are forced to work with people you don't like. Heartbreaks and setbacks happen and you can't control them. But pretend that you only have a few days to live. Work hard so that you can pursue a career that you will one day enjoy, such as maybe starting your own business, or maybe you've always wanted to be a firefighter. Each day spend at least 1 hour doing something that you truly enjoy, whether that's just hanging out with friends or going on an adventure through nature. Start to declutter your life with things that waste your time and that you do to kill boredom. Who cares who tweeted what? Who cares about the new commercial about that TV drama? If you are bored, that is an opportunity for you to do something exciting. Don't waste time because you never know when your time might run out. Man conquers the world by conquering himself. Zeno of Citium. You will find that in life, your greatest obstacle is yourself. Your laziness is what sabotages your motivation. Your neediness is what sabotages your relationship. Your lack of self-control is what sabotages your health and well-being. At the end of the day, you are the one who is stopping you from achieving your goals and living the life of your dreams. So the question becomes, how do you conquer yourself? The first most important step is growing in awareness through meditation and solitude. How can you learn to defeat your shortcomings if you aren't even aware of them? Meditate and be aware of what thoughts you have. Then is to learn. Gain practical knowledge on how to navigate through life, whether that's through courses, books, being coached by someone. And lastly is to put yourself through challenges and conquer them. Take a cold shower or an ice bath in the morning. Put yourself through an intense hard workout. Deprive yourself of stimulation and dopamine by fasting, celibacy, and abstaining from drugs and other short-term pleasures. This is how you conquer yourself. And once you do that, you will find that conquering the world has already been done. But as always, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe, leave a like, comment any questions you may have down below, and I'll catch you guys next time.